Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen and it is part 3 of my Destash haul. So this is box number 3 from Louisa's Destash. She was joking with me. She's like, why didn't you just buy the last one? Like, I'll just save that for somebody else. Okay, so this one I bought for the paper again because we're supposed to be doing Disney in September, so I'm trying to collect as much Disney paper stuff that I can. So in her Destash, let's see if I can do this right. Okay, there you go. Box number 3. All right, so as usual, her boxes were organized by theme. The first one was mermaids and unicorns. The second one was the girly stash, and then this one is like Disney and superhero. And all of this is mainly because she makes traveler's notebooks and planners, and she sells them. So she has multiples of stuff, and once she makes something, she's done with it. She wants to get rid of it. So in her Destash, she's got some Fun Foam Silly Winks, I guess. These are called Silly Winks. I think this is from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I don't know where it's from. Don't take my word. I'm playing like I know and I don't know. But here you go. You have some superheroes, and they're all different colors and different ethnicities. So I love that. We have some Shopkin stickers, which are super cute. She's got some little makers, and these are on clearance. So it says Snap, Shazam, stuff like that. And then there's a gigantic buttload of little makers. Summer, 200 foam pieces, guys. She did not even open it up. So there we go. We have a whole stash of Fun Foam. And then we have the Shopkins. So here we have some themed set again. It's so pretty. This is one of those pencil pouches, and the side is like glitter. So let's see. Let's see what's in it. A whole bunch of planner stuff. So let's start with the ones on top. So here are some emoji sticky notes and some emoji stickers. They're puffy stickers, very cute. And we've got some more emoji sticker sets. I think this is from Walmart, 96, I guess. So more fun sticky notes. Cute, cute, cute. Look at this little sequin mix. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun with this sequin mix. So much in there. And we have 2 little sticky notes, the same. They're the same. And we've got some paper clips. Yes, how cute. How cute. Sticky notepad again with the emoji. And then more stickers. Label, what? Oh, no, stickers. This is Craftsmith, so I'm assuming that's Michael's. And you got some poop emojis. Look at this guy. He has a white mustache and some green glasses. Oh yeah, now she has some blank emoji cards. Just little note cards. That's cute too. And then we have Emoji Love from Simple Stories. Oh wow, 2 whole sets, not even used at all. Oh my gosh, so cool. And we got little enamel stickers, emoji enamel stickers. Those are adorable. More emoji stickers. Like I said, she does themed planner notebooks, not planner notebooks, planners and traveler's notebooks. So we've got some doubles of stuff. These are cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, one sheet. That's cute. I think this is Dollar Tree because I recognize it. Yep, Jot. These were their planner stickers. You got some LOL. Oh, look at these emoji sticky notes. These are flags. That's so cute. That's cute. Ooh, that one got a little bent up, but that's okay. And then you have this whole pad of sticky notes, different styles, different designs, little cute ones. That's adorable. Oh, I love that. So yeah, we're just gonna leave this to the side. I'm not gonna attempt to put it away right now. So we have some superheroes, Justice League. Those are cute. Superhero themes, yes. So outside of that, some packs of Bo Bunny Brads. Ooh, that's cute. So we got 2 of those. These are from Tuesday Morning. And then you've got the dimensional stickers. Look at that. Very nice. And then you have ephemera, the noteworthy ephemeras. They're pretty large ephemera pieces. So that's a cute collection right there. And we have more sticky notes, the Tsum Tsums, and some more of the superheroes stickers. That's cute. And here's the Disney. So we got some Disney stickers. There's 4 sheets. Very cute. And she's got 2 of the stickers with, oh, these are from Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, I must have missed this. This is puffy stickers right here. These are so cute. And then, oh my goodness, you got the old-fashioned Mickeys up here. Never out of style. That's so true. And they have like a glitter finish to them. This is the foiled stickers. And then you have just the regular vinyl type stickers. And that's it. So you got 2, I got 2 of those. Very nice. Okay, so more of the Bo Bunny. And you have more of the noteworthy. So it's 2 of the noteworthies. And then you got 2 of the cardstock stickers. I'm assuming this is like a Alice in Wonderland theme. Yeah. Cute. It's cute though. I would probably move it on to somebody else though. Okay, so here is the paper pad. It is the Mickey Mouse paper pad. 24 pieces, never used. And it's like a heavyweight paper, not cardstock. Very cute. Love the colors. I love that black and white again. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love all of it. If I had seen a mini, I would have probably grabbed it at Tuesday Morning. So that is the Mickey, and then here is the emoji kit, the paper kit. There's some paper, some of the cutouts that, cut pieces that she used. All still usable, very, very usable. And I will probably try to incorporate them somehow. But there you go, you have the stickers still. More of the enamel stickers, the, what are those called? Word stickers. What are they called? So that's what's in the kit. So she mostly used up the papers, which I don't mind. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. Love it. And then here she has a superhero kit, not even used at all, guys. And this is by Echo Park. So very cute superhero set. So you just get 1 of the stickers and then 6 of the papers. And this was from Tuesday Morning. Echo Park mini themes. Super cute. I love it. So that is it for this series of the Destash from Louisa. And each of them I bought mainly for the papers because of what will be coming up soon on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give these videos a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and feel free to subscribe and join us. I do live videos on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and I try to go on at 10 Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So I hope to see you all there, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.